TEC-ART, body making shop, but synonymous in the tuning world as catering to AE86 specific tuning. TEC-ART, a shop located in an old industrial estate in Yashio, Japan. Opened around 2001, TEC-ART is recognized for their extensive modifications and tuning of the Toyota AE86 cars, particularly the N2 project, which I'm unboxing today. The owner Kamada-san and his brother turned this shop into one of the most respected Hachiroku shops in Japan. The N2 project is a purple beast with a 4AG 16-valve naturally aspirated engine with its tuning limits pushed to an extreme. Kamada-san went over the top with its front and rear over fenders, massive rear diffuser, carbon GT wing, Lexan windows, carbon fiber pieces, with an aggressive 17-inch work-equipped wheels. And this is truly a wild interpretation of an AE86 with a long history of competition and, most importantly, the love for this car.